And welcome to part 3 of this tutorial on Sales.js. So in the previous part, we configured the home screen, and in this part, we're going to continue from where we left off. But first, notice that this header here is not rendering correctly. So to fix this, this is essentially an encoding issue in the layout.ejs file in this header section. So notice that these quotes are the serif quotes. So all we have to do is replace them with the straight quotes, and that should fix the issue. So save that and run sales lift. Refresh, and there you have it. Okay, so now let's continue. We're going to add the custom CSS to asset styles. So go to the custom CSS gist, copy the files, contents, go to assets, styles, and create a file called custom.css. Paste the contents here, exit that. Now ensure that your layout.ejs contains the link tag for the custom CSS style. Once that's done, if you refresh, so this should use the new custom CSS. Just check by viewing page source and clicking on custom CSS. So it's not getting compiled because we didn't restart sales. So just restart sales, select one, and refresh. So now this is using our custom styles. Now view page source and click on custom CSS, and that's fine. Now if you look at the source here, you'll find that jQuery is being called before Bootstrap. Now the way I got jQuery to be called before Bootstrap was I went to tasks, pipeline.js, and in the JS files to inject, I added a call to jQuery.js before star.js, and that's ensuring that jQuery is called before. Okay, so let's continue. Um, Now, if you remember, in the previous example, we had some users populated, and the way that we were populating users was we said create username equals uh, test equals test@test.com, and this would create users. Now, if you want to turn off this functionality, you can go to blueprints.js and set shortcuts here to false. We're going to leave it so that, yeah, let's try this by setting it to false here, and restart sales lift, and you're going to try to first refresh this and then try to create a user with the username next@next.com. So it doesn't let you do that. So this ensures that you have to create the user data manually. So let's see how we can populate the attributes in user. Now in our user controller, so in our user model, we need to populate the attributes. So we're going to take the attributes that are here, including username, title, email, and encrypted password, and we're going to use that in our model. So go to user model and paste the attributes. So restart sales. Now if I refresh user, so here it's not showing up the new attributes because this was created before I added the new attributes. But once we add the controller, we should be able to capture data for the new attributes. First, let's create a file called new.ejs under views user. So go to views, create a folder called user, and new file called new.ejs, and save that. Now if you restart sales, this should automatically wire up to the new sign up page. If it's not, let's see what's happening. So when we turned off blueprints.js, it stopped wiring up. So let's restart the wiring up and start sales lift and refresh and click on sign up now. Okay, yeah, so the user controller is not wired up. So change this back to false. Go to our user controller, and we have to add this path or this route to user controller. So go to controllers, user controller, and add the new route. Okay, so refresh that. Sorry, restart sales. Refresh and click on sign up. So that's the sign up page. Now we're going to improve the sign up page with a form. So let's use this form here, and we can put it in the new.ejs file and refresh. Okay, so that's the sign up page. Now if you click on this, it takes you to home page. If you click here, it takes you to the sign up page. So that works for now, but we have to get the form to work. So we are going to continue in the next part. Thanks for watching.